A sluggish metabolism can feel like an uphill battle, especially after 40. But I got good news for you. Fixing it doesn't always require fad diets or extreme measures. There are natural, lesser known strategies that not only boost your metabolism, but also restore balance to your body and mind. So let's explore some of these methods that are backed by research, ones that you likely won't hear about in your doctor's office. First, let's talk about eating patterns and something called Chrono nutrition. This is the science of aligning your eating schedule with your body's natural circadian rhythm. Research shows that eating more calories earlier in the day, particularly at breakfast, can significantly improve metabolism and insulin sensitivity. There was a 2020 study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology. It found that people who consumed 50% of their daily calories at breakfast burned 2.5 times more energy after eating compared to those who ate a large dinner. This means front-loading your calories in the morning and then tapering them off by dinner can help correct a sluggish metabolism. Also, adding the right foods is, equally important. Protein-rich breakfast like eggs or plant-based protein shakes are essential for stimulating thermogenesis, which is a process where your body burns calories to digest your food. For an extra boost, incorporate fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut or kefir. These improve gut health, which play a critical role in how your body absorbs and processes nutrients. A healthy gut biome has been shown to regulate energy balance and prevent metabolic dysfunction. Now let's address something important: stress. This is a major but often hidden culprit of metabolic slowdown. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which not only promotes fat storage, but also suppresses thyroid function further, and it further hinders metabolism. So once you check out some of my other videos on managing stress and cortisol levels, there was a study in the Obesity Review highlighted that prolonged stress can lead to metabolic adaptation, where your body adjusts by conserving energy and burning fewer calories. The good news is that mindfulness practices like yoga and Tai Chi and even deep breathing exercises have been proven to lower cortisol levels and improve metabolic health. Now, one study published in the Psychosomatic Medicine found that mindfulness meditation reduced cortisol by 20% in stress participants in just under 8 weeks. When was the last time your doctor gave you a practical advice on how to manage stress instead of offering you a mind-numbing pill to block you from your reality? So let's not overlook the role of emotions. While emotional eating is often associated with weight gain, fewer people realize that unresolved emotions truly can contribute to overeating or honestly undereating. Now, this kind of distributes energetic balance and leads to what some call broken metabolism. Journaling or cognitive behavioral therapy can help address the underlying emotional patterns, allowing your body to focus on metabolic repair rather than be in survival mode. Sleep is another key pillar for fixing slow metabolism. Poor sleep impairs insulin sensitivity by up to about 30%, according to a study from the Internal Medicine Journal. Additionally, sleep deprivation reduces leptin, the hormone that basically signals fullness, and increases ghrelin, which is the hunger hormone. These changes make it harder to control craving and regulate energy. Beyond aiming for 7 to 8 hours of sleep, focus on improving your sleep quality. Consider using blackout curtains. Avoid screens like blue screens at night, right? And incorporate magnesium and other herbal teas like chamomile to promote relaxation. When it comes to exercise, many people jump straight into high-intensity training to fix their metabolism for fat loss. While effective for some, it's not always the best choice for those recovering from yo-yo dieting or calorie deficits. Low-impact, steady-state activities like walking or swimming can be just as effective, sometimes more, at reducing inflammation and rebalancing your hormones. A 2018 study in Frontiers in Physiology showed that walking for 30 minutes a day improved insulin sensitivity and reduced markers of inflammation, crucial for repairing metabolic adaptation and metabolic syndrome. This is why I recommend my patients do 30 minutes of walking to literally lose 10 to 30 pounds on the Fast 40 weight loss program. Finally, let's talk about hydration. Your metabolism depends on water for nearly every function. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that drinking 500 milliliters of water increased metabolic rate by 30% for over an hour. For an added boost, try adding a pinch of sea salt or a squeeze of lemon to your water. This helps replenish electrolytes and improves cellular function. Now, especially if you've been feeling fatigued, fixing your metabolism isn't about quick fixes or trendy solutions. It's about adopting sustainable habits that nourish your body and align it with natural rhythms. By focusing on nutrition, timing, stress management, emotional health, sleep quality, hydration, you can literally repair and restore your metabolism at any age. I've watched it. So thanks so much for spending your time with me. I hope you found these tips helpful and hopefully inspiring. If you have any questions about fixing your metabolism, feel free to share them in the comments or chat. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to follow or subscribe to some of my channels so you don't miss future future content like this, don't forget to like this video. Let's keep the conversation going. Leave a comment, leave a question. Who knows? I might choose your topic for the next video. And if you want more natural tips to create a lean, healthy, energetic body at any age, head over to fast40weightloss.com. Thanks again. I'm gonna see you guys soon, okay?